Good evening. Stephanie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight, it's actually nighttime, I am going to do something super fun. Hopefully it's fun. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. If you are coming back, we're gonna have a little fun tonight. Hopefully have some fun. Okay, so confession. I am a sucker for those super satisfying Instagram glitter videos. You know, the ones where they take the glittery pigment and they put it into mixing medium and then they just brush it all over their skin and you're just like, I mean, I don't know. Every time I see one of those things, I'm drooling because I'm just like, I want to do that. I want to do that, and I want to slap it all over my eyes, or I want to do it on somebody else and make them look beautiful, and it's just... So anything that I do, I have to order online for the most part, unless I learn how to do it myself. So, of course, I went online and I looked up the Instagram account that I looked up was Style Cosmetics. Because and I'm actually gonna hopefully link that video up here so that you can see it. You can see why I'm obsessed with this. I was on their website and it said they were sold out of the mixing medium at the time. You can't get mixing medium around here, so of course I'm gonna YouTube it because I YouTube everything. There are many videos out there on this, but they all involve the same ingredients. So we're gonna do it. Chemistry 101 right here tonight. Let's jump into the video. And hey, if you like what you see, if you enjoy this video or you learned something awesome, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what you would maybe use this for. That would make me super happy. Alright, let's get into it. So there are many videos on YouTube that kind of get into this mixing medium for eyeshadows and glitters. The first one that popped up on my search was Makeup by Karenjoyce, and she actually did her mixing medium in an eyedropper bottle, but we're not going to do that today because I did watch a bunch of these videos and I kind of felt like, I don't know, I want to start with a clean slate. That's just, I like things a certain way. So the OCD, that's what's kicking in. And so the other video that I saw was from Chemi Makeup, and that was spelled C-H-E-M-I, Chemi Makeup, and I'll link them below so that you'll be able to go back and watch theirs. But they both used the same thing, which was glycerin and water. So that's what we're using today. So I went online to see if my local Walmart carried glycerin because I know that Wilton Cake, the baking goods company that you usually see if you're in Walmart and you go into the craft section, there's like a wedding section where they have all that cake decorating stuff. I know that Wilton makes a food grade glycerin. It's supposed to be used in fondants, but they didn't have it. And I would imagine that's probably because no one in their right mind wants to make fondant homemade because it's really hard. We tried it. Oh my god. No bueno. So I thought I had some glycerin at home, but I didn't. So I went on Walmart's website and Walmart said that they do carry the glycerin. I went to my local Walmart and had to ask my pharmacist because it was in the pharmacy over-the-counter drug medications area, and sure enough they had it. The way that they are doing it, and let me just take a look at hers because I think that hers said it's 1:3 ratio. Can you hear it? She's super cute. This Makeup by Karenjoyce, she's adorable. Let's try the Chemi Makeup one because I thought one of them actually had ratios. Yes. Okay, so Chemi Makeup says the mixing medium ratio is 1 to 3, glycerin to water. So always the lower number is always going to be your chemical, and the higher number is going to be water. Water is the universal solvent. If you ever see a ratio that's water to a chemical or water to whatever you're adding to it, you can always bet on the side that the water is going to be more. There was a lesson. I don't know if you even care about that. Anyway, glycerin 1 part, water 3 parts. Look at how cute this is. It's a little jar, like a mason jar, and it's got a seal. And it has my name on it. And I found this, we have this local place, it's like Big Lots, only it's called Job Lots, and they had these, and I was like, oh my god, that's great, because it's glass, so I can sterilize it. I can put my solution in here, it seals up so it won't dry out. Nice, right? I asked the pharmacist about where to find this. I was like, do you guys have an eyedropper? Because originally I just wanted like a glass eyedropper bottle, so I could just take out the little dropper and put a drop, but they don't sell them at Walmart. Anyways, she gave me this little, it's a syringe, and I think, oh, it says oral dispenser. Oh, it's probably for BB medication. I didn't even think about that when I looked at it, but I bet that's what it's for. What do you know? But it's got this little stopper that you can use. You just, I guess, put the stopper in here, put the syringe in the top, and pull out as much as you need, and we can put it in our little container. And so actually, I set up a camera, and I'm gonna videotape it. Okay, so I've got my little stainless steel thing here. That's actually gonna come later, because that's gonna be for when I want to mix things up on there. This is my glycerin. This is my little jar with the stopper, and I've sterilized this with alcohol and let it dry, air dry, so that it gives it a chance to kill off any bacteria that was in it. And I've washed my hands really good, as is evident by my super dry skin. This is the syringe that they gave me at Walmart at the pharmacy. The pharmacy girl was so nice. She's so nice. I see her all the time in there. Alright, so you put this little syringe in right here. This top marking right here is 1 milliliter. So we're going to do 1 of these to 3 of the water. Ooh, it's so thick. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the bubbles. They're like slowly floating up. It's somewhat mesmerizing. It reminds me of a lava lamp a little bit. Ah, there we go. Alright, so I should be able to pull that out. And then I'm just going to put that right in there. Like so. And now we're going to take 3 of the water. So this is the water. I'm going to take 3 of these. So there's 1. And there's 2. There's 3. Okay. And then I can probably go ahead and boil that and then throw some alcohol through there and let it air dry, and it should once again be sterile. Or Walmart just gives them away for free. So if I have to, I could go get another one. Ultimately, I think I do want to get one of those eyedropper bottles, but I'm just going to shake this up a bit, try and get it mixed in. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and spray a cotton pad with my alcohol. And this is 70% alcohol, but I want to clean off my spatula here, my funny little spatula.
Okay, so I added a little bit of light and brought this a little closer so that you could see what I'm seeing, hopefully. We're gonna take some of this purple priority and I'm just gonna scrape some of that off onto my little tray here. This isn't powdery like a standard pigment, I want to say. It has some type of binder in it, I believe, because it's not powdery like my Bare Minerals are or anything like that. So we're just going to get just a little bit of our glycerin mixture out, our mixing medium, and I'm gonna put just a drop. Now, every tutorial that I've seen on doing this has basically said don't use too much, and it is just sticking to my brush, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I know Chemi Makeup put hers in a spray bottle. I don't know if that makes a difference either. This is what I want to do. I want to test this out. I'm going to just do a little swatch of this on my hand without the mixing medium. And don't mind my dry skin. Sorry about that, but it does need a little bit of work, as you can see. Alright, so let's try the brush that I have the mixing medium on. Oh yeah. That made quite a difference. You can definitely see a difference in that. Wow. Well, that seemed to work. Let's try it on something else. Woohoo!
Okay, so Chemi Makeup had hers in a spray bottle. If you saw the footage on the tray, you saw that it looked like it was kind of caking up, and she just sprayed her finger and then went into the pigment. So I don't know, I'll definitely check my ratio, but look at that, it definitely works. I mean, my god, that is badass. I am so excited. I'm gonna do, like, I want to try this with everything now. And you know, the fun thing is knowing that I have this as a tool that I can use. If I see a pigment online that I want, I don't feel like, how's it going to perform when I get home? You know what I mean? Because I have something that I can mix in with it. So that's pretty badass. And I want to see if it works on these Bare Minerals, because they've been sitting in my kit and they're beautiful and I like to actually use them. But I want them to be fancier. So I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a gold. So I'm gonna try that and put some of that. You can really see the mica in that. It's very shimmery, but not in... It's really shimmery, but not in an obnoxious way. It is very strange videotaping with two cameras right now. We're just gonna take one, just a little droppy drop. Come on. It wants to come out. Haha. Whoa. What? Oh. Oh, that is... What? Oh my god, look at that. Can you see that? Oh man, can you see that? Oh, that's so nice. It's like liquid gold. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, I'm just gonna do like that. Can you see that? Okay. Whoa. Oh my god, look at the difference.
Holy crap. Oh shit. Look at that. What?
Oh, look at that. Like, okay, so literally, oh my god, this is so exciting. I am so stoked. Oh my god, look at that. Holy crap. Alright, so underneath here, you see that? It's like, it's almost look like a highlighter. I mean, you can barely see it. And then, like, look at the difference. Oh, look at the difference. Holy crap. Oh my god. Yes. I am so stoked. I'm going to be using this on everything. Sweet. Alright, so anyways, that's how you make mixing medium. And I know that you can buy pigments and glitters on Amazon. Oh, that's right, I wanted to put some glitter in there. Okay, this is my next glitter. I can't help myself.
Let's throw a little glitter in there. Oh, this is bad.
This is really bad for me. I mean, it's so good, but it's so bad. Okay, wait a minute. We're just gonna... Oh no. Yes. Alright, experiment tested and it works. I'm so excited about this. Now I have to go and tell my husband that this works because I'm going to be like ordering pigment online and he's going to be like, oh, stop it for the love of God. Don't, no more. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and my crazy, giggly, excitable self. And don't forget, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Even ring that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I'm going to be uploading or whenever I actually have uploaded. That would be a more accurate thing to say. Anyways, thank you for joining me and we'll see you next time. Bye! Bye bye bye! Bye bye bye! Next video I'm trying this on my face.